How you doing? Duff here, and I'm working on an EUC based project. What I'm doing is putting together an EUC stand. This is actually the third one that I've done, and this is something that I 3D printed, and the model is actually something that Matthias from the EU guys group, and you probably, if you know me, you probably know him. He modeled this thing, and I've printed. This is my third set. This one I'm doing in purple. It's actually going to be for Cindy's Inmotion B5F. And basically there's a total of 4 parts to this stand. You have the 2 side supports, and then you have these. You have 2 of these that go in between the 2 side supports. So what I did is I went out to Home Depot and I bought myself some 1/4" 20 thread lock nuts, and I have 1/4", 1 1/4" long, again 20 thread stainless steel screws. So what I've done is I've inserted one of those lock nuts in here. As you can see, it fits nice and tight. It's real snug in there, and I just have it lined up, so I should be able to thread right through it. And if you look at the side supports, there's a definitive outside and inside. You know, the hole's a little bit bigger here on the outside, so I'm gonna thread through there, thread through here, and if I have it lined up right, it should just go in. And with the lock washer, it's nice and tight. Okay, there you go. Matthias did a really nice job designing this. Everything fits together real well. So I'm basically going to be doing the same thing all the way around. Okay, nuts in there, screws in there, and let me put the other ones in, and I'll be right back. Yeah, these are slightly different nuts and bolts than I used with my first 2, and I'll tell you, these are actually better. They fit so nice and snug. You know, this is definitely the way to go. And I'll have a link in the description below for the actual screws I used and the lock washer, so you can get the exact same thing, because these are definitely a winner. It's a winning combination for sure. Because when I used the other ones for my other 2 stands, I had to like kind of awkwardly jam a screwdriver to keep the nut from spinning. But with these nuts, it's such a tight fit that you just got to get it in place, and it holds all by itself. There you go. See, it's done. And I've used these. These are surprisingly strong. Matthias designed this for his ACM originally, but I've used it for my M Super, and I've actually used the other one that I produced prior to this for the Monster, you know, which is 60+ pounds. So it's been holding my Monster just fine. And the way it's designed is the pedal brackets just kind of rest on here, and it's super easy to take off. Looks good. So let me set up Cindy's Inmotion and show you. All right, so like I said, right there is the black stand that I'm using for the Monster, the gray one for the M Super, and the purple one will be for Cindy's Inmotion. So it looks really cool. And like I said, I will link the plans for the pieces on Thingiverse to Matthias's design, and also I will link the exact bolts and nuts that I use, just so you can get a nice tight fit like I did. So anyways, yeah, if you're an EUC enthusiast and a 3D printing enthusiast, this project is definitely for you. If not, you might be able to find someone to print these parts for you as well. So that's it. Just quick little helpful video on something that I really like. So that's it. Till next time, Duffman out.